Hi, I'm Mark. This is Jim. We work here at Absolute Air on Highway 20 in beautiful Portage, Indiana. Today we're going to demonstrate how you can insect-proof your air conditioner to prevent future breakdowns, as well as distinguish you from your competitors and add value to your service.
There's only a couple of things that you're going to need to insect-proof you or your customer's AC unit. I trust most of you guys already have these things on your truck. If you don't, you should. So we're just going to get a rack. A brush, just some things we use to clean out the control compartment on the air conditioner. Most of you guys already have some caulk on your truck, or a little bit of thumb gum, or maybe even some metal foil tape. All these things can be useful when sealing up an air conditioner.
First thing you want to do is make sure that you turn off the power to the unit out here, and then you can go in by the furnace and there's a switch next to it and turn off the 24 volt control power that comes out to your AC unit, or you can just turn the thermostat off. But you always want to make sure you kill the 220 volts first. Jim's going to show you how we typically clean out a air conditioner control compartment. We like to use a soft bristle brush and maybe a rag. As you can see, there's already some spider webs and some insects that have crawled inside the unit. And this unit's maybe 2 years old. How many times have you opened up the control panel on your air conditioner unit to find a hornet's nest, some earwigs, or even a mouse that's taken up residency? You can help prevent this by taking a few minutes during service or installation and using a few things that you commonly already have on your service truck. Okay, Jim's got it all cleaned up. As you can see, there's a nice spot there where the wires come through, where a mouse or hornets or anything else can come through. Now, in the future, if you had to do a motor change out or something like that, you would probably have to pull those wires out in order to change the motor. So in a case like that, we like to use a little bit of thumb gum. You can seal it up, and later on it'll still come out so that you can change out your motor or whatever it is you got to do, and typically you can even put it back in when you're finished doing your motor change out, and it'll still stay, and this will keep mice and other things from getting inside. Other holes that you'll find are mounting holes where a manufacturer might install a control on a different model. And these we like to seal up permanently, like with some caulk or maybe a piece of tape. Some foil tape works well. Or you could even put a piece of sheet metal over it and zip some screws through it and seal it up that way. Jim's got some foil tape here that was on the service truck, and he's going to use that to seal up the mounting hole inside the compartment on the air conditioner. Like I said, this only takes a couple of minutes. And there's a nice little hole right there. You just take a piece of tape, and there we go, all sealed up. No hornets or earwigs are going to get through that. Ideally, a little silver caulk would be preferred, but this is in a spot where you won't be able to see it once the cover's put on. You just take a little bit of caulk and, oh, looked like he had a plug stuck in there. It's alright. A little bit of caulk and seal up the gaps where the bugs are going to get in. He's got another one over on the other side. Same thing. And there you have it. A few pennies worth of thumb gum and caulk and tape, and she's all sealed up.
For all you do-it-yourselfers, the stuff we use today, the thumb gum, the foil tape, the caulk, it's all available at your local hardware store. So don't be afraid to jump in and take care of this yourself. It can prevent you an expensive service call in the future of seeing earwigs get into the contactor points. It stop the air conditioner from working. I've seen mice build nests and then chew the insulation off the wires and short things out. All that can lead to expensive repairs. Not to mention, you know, you open it up and the hornets come out and you're either running for your life or getting stung. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you guys have Mark and Jim from Absolute Air. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. Hope this helps.